What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, we do have a price update, price prediction on DeFi yield protocol, also known as DYP, which has started to pump up in value over 20% in the last 24 hours and is currently sitting at just above 19 cents. So we're going to be looking at where it's heading to next. What is its next target? Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to drop down in value? Is it time to buy it? Is it too late? Is it time to sell? Covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go, and also looking at its short-term and long-term prediction. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are on the Coinbase website. The market has not been performing too well, as you can see, 2.50% down in the last 24 hours. However, DYP has managed to gain the top spot in the top gainers list in the last 24 hours, gaining over 20%. In the last hour itself, it managed to drop just about 3%, but we can see it's slowly starting to go back up in value. Over the last day, over 30%. We've seen it go up to around 22 cents, drop down to 18 cents, and right now pumping back up. And over the week, 23%, and over the month, another 23%. So as you can see, it's been mostly hovering around the 16-17 cents target for most of the month, all up until earlier today, where it decided to pump up in value. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by nearly 200% in the last 24 hours, making it $2.3 million in trading, which is still a decent amount of money being traded on DeFi protocol or DeFi yield protocol. And we can see there's a lot of buyers as well as sellers, 62% buy against 38% sell. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we've also got the purple line running across the chart here, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of DeFi yield protocol, which at the moment is just about 17 cents in purple here, as you can see. However, it is trading at a much higher value at 20 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. Guys, before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button. And also, I just want to let you guys know, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So let's get into it. So we've got the 30-minute chart up here, and we've got the blue line and the orange line both looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, they are looking quite steep. As you guys can see, they are looking very bullish, going in a positive direction and looking quite steep, meaning a major increase in value is expected. However, that is not the case. That is absolutely unrealistic. The only reason why we're seeing steep lines going in a bullish direction, looking that steep, is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. But yes, that is not the case, guys. What I am expecting is more drops in value over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting an overall drop in value on DeFi yield protocol. However, it doesn't mean it's going to be a complete drop or a major decrease in value or anything like that. It is going to be a minimal decrease in value. Again, we are going to see a pump up in value. We are going to see green candles. We are going to see red candles. It's going to be a mixture of ups and downs, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. So towards the end of the day, I am expecting it to drop down to between 18 to 19 cents is what I'm predicting as of right now. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days still looking very similar to the previous chart. Both the blue line and the orange line are both looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. They are looking quite steep as well, and the exact same reason applies here. So again, it is not realistic, guys. I'm going to say it again. Only reason, as I mentioned earlier, is because of the major increase. So over the next couple of days, so let's say towards the end of this week, I am expecting an overall drop in value on DeFi yield protocol, potentially dropping down to around the 17 cents target. Somewhere around there is what my predictions are. And again, that doesn't mean we're going to be consistently hitting red candles for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have green days when it's up, red days when it's down. But once again, the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Let's move on to the daily chart. Next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're looking much more realistic. Even though yes, it is going in a bullish direction, we're not looking as steep as the previous two charts. So guys, once again, we do have the blue line and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So an overall minimal increase in value is expected over the coming weeks. So I'm talking about mid to late December. We should be trading around the 25 to somewhere between 25 and 27 cents is what my predictions are. However, guys, this may change according to how the crypto market performs. And as you guys would probably know by now, the crypto market has been very volatile since the start of 2022, but more or less moving in a negative direction. Hopefully, we can take a U-turn from that and go in a bullish direction for the rest of the year at least. But again, if there are any major changes or major updates that are available or expected on the crypto market that can have a potential impact on the value of any cryptos in a positive or negative direction, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So now that we've done the MACD indicator predictions, let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. However, we are trading in the red zone right now and there isn't much we can do here. The only reason for that is not only are we in the red zone, but we are in the lowest part of the red zone, and we have been trading in the red zone for over a year and a half now. As you can see, since about April 2021, we've just been getting worse and worse and worse over time. And for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit the resistance target of which is $1.93, meaning going through an over 1,000% increase, which I'm not expecting from DeFi yield protocol anytime soon. So more or less it's likely we are going to be trading in the red zone for most of this next couple of years is what I'm going to say right now, unless it goes for a major increase in value, which again is not expected anytime soon. So yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on DeFi yield protocol, guys. What I want you guys to do is comment down below what your expectations and your predictions are, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I've seen a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments around this crypto. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. Before I end the video, I just want to say a massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, and obviously helps me hit the 100k target, which I'm trying to hit by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.